Hi you. All right, so it is that time of the month. It is collaboration time with my girls. That's my Beauty Over 40 girls. This month we are going to go ahead and celebrate Mother's Day. In preparation for that, just in case any of you guys are looking for certain looks or just want some inspiration as to what look you could possibly create for Mother's Day, definitely make sure you check out all the girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. If you're interested in my look, definitely stay tuned to my video.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this collab. I'm starting off with my lip serum, of course, that I sell on my website. You guys know I love lip oils. Very hydrating for the lips. The lips will be the last thing I do, so make sure they're nice and hydrated and ready for my lip products. So, all right, so for this collab, of course, it's our monthly collab. We are doing a look for Mother's Day. When I think of Mother's Day, I just think of something just really, really nice, elegant, and classy. So I have an idea in my head, but of course you guys know. So I'm actually trying out a new serum, which you guys will see that video soon after this one. So I've applied my serum already, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my Revitalizing Supreme Bright Moisturizer, and I'm using that with my lash applicator / spatula. You guys know I sell these on my website. So I'm going to scoop some of that out. The new serum I'm trying is really nice. Like, even applying my normal moisturizer here on top of it feels really good. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that. You guys will find out about that soon. All right, so the skin looks nice and hydrated. And I think for let's go to this. For my primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. Ooh, a couple pumps of that. All right, for foundation, I'm going to use my Morphe, the new Morphe Filter Effect Foundation, and the color I have here is Rich 26. Okay, that's how that looks. All right, so I'm gonna do, let's try one pump. One pump is usually enough, and I'm gonna use my brush that came with that. All right, and we're just gonna press that in. Press. I think some of the girls are going to be including like a Mother's Day outfit with their looks. So after you watch my video, make sure you definitely check the girls out. These are my ride or dies. Like, we're going on years, guys, doing this. All right, I'm just gonna get another brush just to flip in this box here, just to press that in. Make sure that's in. Apply our concealer. That's the Lancôme Camo Concealer in the color 465. Favorite concealer. It covers so well, and I just love the formula. But you've been watching my channel, you know that. You know I love it. Okay. All right, and we're gonna let that marinate. Let that warm up to the skin, and we're gonna do our brows. So guys, you guys have heard me talk about the Dream Cosmetics products. Well, this is one of their matte lip colors, and it's a brown, color's brown sugar. Guys, the color is perfect for my brows. You guys, you know I've said plenty of times, just do whatever works for you. You know, there is no rules in makeup. Don't be afraid to, you know, mix some things, try some new things out, and just be creative. So I'm using a matte liquid lipstick on my brows. Again, I've been loving the color, so been using this for a couple weeks and I love it. All right, to clean up, I'm using my Born This Way concealer that I got in a BoxyCharm. The color here is Chestnut. Okay, we're going to use it to clean up our brows. Okay, and pull that down to the lid. All right, we're gonna go ahead and blend in our concealer. Blend in our concealer. Sponge, I love. Aside from the original Beauty Blender, this sponge is the softest that I've used. I've mentioned before in one of my other videos, a lot of things that I have on my website are things that I've used for years, and this is one of them. Comes in 2 colors because you know the Beauty Blenders they're gonna get stained anyway, so you know doesn't show as much the the product that's on it, and it blends out really easy. Contour, I'm using the No Filter Stick foundation, color 195 Warm. Contour with that. I have to think what side my part is on. Contour our nose. So when I contour my nose, I use the edge of my brow as a guide. Use the edge of my brow as a guide. Nice smooth transition. And we're going to press that contour in and overlap it with our highlight. We don't have to go back and blend those two together with the face powder. They're already blended. I like my highlight and again, everybody's face shape is different, but I like my highlight just like in the center of my face. Some people, take theirs past their eyes and things like that. I just like mine in the center of my face. All right, and then we're gonna use our RCMA No Color Powder to set our highlight. Overlap that as well. See, from doing those techniques, it's already blended. I don't have to go back in with face powder, unless you just want to, but I choose not to. Some people put face powder all over. This works for me, and I'll just, use my setting powder to set, and that's it. All right, so next is blush, and I think I just want just a little bit of color, a soft blush, and I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Rebel Rose blush. A little bit of that, tap it off just a little bit. All right, for highlight, you guys, I love my Tarte palette. Got it in a BoxyCharm box. It's one of the Rainforest of the Seas, but I use the color, the lighter ones here, obviously not the darker ones. I use the lighter ones here. You can see this one, I use that one, and then I use this one. So I'm going to use the last one I showed you. I'm going to use that one here as a highlight. It's a very pretty soft color. Very pretty. Very soft. I'm thinking I might use that for my eyeshadow, so we'll put that to the side. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face. All right, for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use the Vibez eyeshadow base. All right, so I'm using this color for the eyeshadow base. I'm going to put a little bit of the white base on that too. See, it doesn't have the colors on here. All right, so I'm gonna use the white one as well, a little bit of that. Mix those two together. Okay. All right, and we're just gonna press that in. Press it a little bit over my lid and then swipe some down at the bottom. Let's just go ahead and use the Amambra palette by Marc Wile. I don't know, I might keep that Tarte palette to the side just in case I want to grab that color for my lid. So I'm going to put that one to the side. First, I'm going to grab this color here called Set. All right, so we're going to use Set, and we're just going to put that in our crease. And then I'm going to take Amunet. You guys have seen me create this eye look before. I really love doing this eye look. It just makes it a little bit different from just your normal, you know, eyeshadow technique. So I'm starting at the corner here and then taking that up to my brow. So it's going up, it's up, and it's up, and it's up. All right, and then I'm gonna find a smaller brush, and then I think I'm going to, let's grab Quadish. We grab Quadish and take that in the crease as well. It's a little bit lower from where we put the other one. Love that. I love creating this eye. Again, it's just something different from your normal eyeshadow technique. All right, I'm gonna find another brush just to blend that out a little bit. Just the edges of this right here. All right, before I apply my lid color, I like to just go back in with something tacky. So we'll have something to stick to. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that first eyeshadow base that I applied earlier. I'm just pressing that on. Okay, so I don't want to cut crease. I'm gonna go back. For my lid color, I'm gonna do matte. That's this color right here. And I'm just gonna press that on. Press, press, press. So pretty. All right, so lid color is on. I'm gonna go in with a Pep, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna blend some of that at the edge here, just to get a nice transition there, as you can see. All right, and for my lash, I'm using the beautiful Cascade from my website. This is how it looks. A very beautiful, fluffy, not too thick lash. That's how it looks again. They're so soft. Like, these are so soft. Again, you can get 25 or more applications out of my mink lashes, of course, with proper care. You want to make sure you store them properly, not sleep in them and all of that. All right, and I'm going to use my favorite lash glue, which is the Star Glue that I also have on my website. Glue is on. I like to stamp it or either like slide it like I'm doing an actual liner. Sometimes I don't get all the way across, so then I'll just stamp it and let the both dry a little bit, and then when they come together it kind of acts as a magnet. Now if you are wearing liner, my liner pen that I have on my website works really good. You just apply it like an eyeliner, stick the lash right on. Really, really simple and easy. Look at that. That is a beautiful lash. So beautiful. All right, so I am back. I went ahead and just did my hair, put my hair piece in. Not my hair piece, but my hair candy. Put my hair candy in, my earrings. Love these cute little hoops. And then for the lip, I use the Dream Cosmetics Crushing. Also, definitely make sure you check out my website. I've mentioned some of the things throughout the video. I have my personalized lash applicator. I sell mink lashes. I have silk synthetic lashes as well. Lash adhesive. I have turbies. I have sterling silver jewelry. These hoops that I'm rocking now, the hairpiece. Again, a lot of the things that I love, and a lot of things that I've been wearing for a very long time are available on my website. So if you've liked some of the things that you've seen here on my channel, especially you know, accessory wise, again, lashes and things like that, definitely check out my website. I will have the link to my website down below. Make sure you check out all the girls. I will have all their information down in the description bar. And if you're not following me on TikTok and Instagram, well, let me back up to TikTok. TikTok is where I have fun. I do a lot of promoting of my products over there, and you can just kind of see, well, you can kind of see more of my personality. A lot of those things I do post on Instagram, but then some I don't. So and I actually go live more on TikTok. So if you're into those things, definitely check me out on TikTok, but also follow me on Instagram, both at LRH Makeup. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Until next time, guys, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.